We find ample opportunity in buying single-tenant industrial manufacturing properties, and that's been our exclusive focus. As a result, the legacy assets that we've had, which have been office and retail that were acquired by other management teams, we have been recycling those assets into the market to find better owners for them so that we can buy more of these industrial manufacturing properties.
Joining me today is Aaron Halfacre, CEO of Modiv. So Aaron, over recent years, Modiv has reduced its office exposure. Can you talk about the evolution of your plan to focus almost exclusively on acquiring industrial manufacturing and food production assets?
Yeah, we think that there's an emerging trend in the United States, really that stemmed from after COVID-19 and sort of the geopolitical crises we've seen in Ukraine. And that trend is to have supply chain security. So having more of our critical infrastructure manufactured on our shore. So it's nearshoring or onshoring, as sometimes it's called. We find ample opportunity in buying single-tenant industrial manufacturing properties, and that's been our exclusive focus. As a result, the legacy assets that we've had, which have been office and retail that were acquired by other management teams, we have been recycling those assets into the market to find better owners for them so that we can buy more of these industrial manufacturing properties.
What differentiates Modiv's investment focus from other publicly traded REITs?
Yeah, I'd say that we've made the announcement that we intend to be a pure play industrial manufacturing. And to my knowledge, no one else has done that. There are certain other REITs that are great competitors of ours that buy them on occasion, but not the specific focus that we have. And a step further than that is we focus on those types of industrial manufacturing that are not consumer discretionary. So we're not buying manufacturing facilities of gourmet dog food or something that we can't ascertain the rural infrastructure need. We're buying things that are companies that are really building products that are critical to the US economy.
And Modiv's occupancy is currently at 100%. How have you been able to achieve this coming out of the pandemic?
Yeah, I think most net lease REITs have a high occupancy. There are some that have, if they have longer leases, maybe they've lost some tenancy. So I think part of it is I don't want to take credit for what is the asset class. That said, we do a lot of sell-leasebacks, so we're originating new leases with tenants that may have been in their buildings for 20, 30 years, but they're new leases for us. And that attributes to the high occupancy.